Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken Parmesan casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my non-stick pan. I boiled up a pound of ziti pasta. So the directions on the box. That's going to be a quick, easy, and delicious one, guys. You're not going to believe how easy and delicious it's going to be. Now I have some pasta sauce here. I'm going to put about 3/4 of it down on the pasta. And I'm just going to stir it around in there. And let me grab my plastic spoon so I don't scratch my pot. What, Dexter? And like I said, guys, this is going to have big flavor with very little effort. Okay, now that I have my sauce stirred in there, I'm going to take some shredded mozzarella cheese. Pull that out a little bit. We're going to put a healthy coating on there. And Dexter's all charged up. He just got fed and watered. And this here is a 4-cup pack of cheese. I'm going to use about 2 cups, guys. Right, that's looking good. Now I have, get rid of that. I have some chicken tenders here. They were frozen. I went ahead and I baked them in the oven to the directions, and I cut them up into chunks. We're going to get that in on top of the cheese and the pasta. And guys, if you want to serve these whole, you can, but you get more for your money by cutting them up into chunks. Just get all your chicken down on there. And these here are the Tyson Southern style chicken tenders, but any breaded chicken tender will work. So don't feel like you have to buy that brand. All the little crumbs in there, that'll add extra crunch to the top. Alright, now I'm going to take more of my sauce and I'm going to spoon that over top of the chicken. And it don't have to be perfect, guys, because as this goes in the oven, this here will spread out some. And you just want to cover your chicken with sauce. What, Dexter? No, you said my name, I say what. You don't say what. Alright, we're getting our sauce down on there, guys. You can see where I'm going with this. Very easy, kid-friendly, one-pot cleanup. Now, if you don't have a non-stick pot like this, you can very easily boil your pasta in a pot and transfer this to a 9x13 baking pan. Alright, throw that in the trash. Let me give my fingers a rinse. Okay, now I have some grated Parmesan cheese. You can't have chicken parm without Parmesan cheese. And let me open this up, guys. This was brand new. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over the chicken and sauce. You just want a light coating over your chicken. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes uncovered. Everything's cooked. But what that will do is that'll heat that sauce through and melt this cheese. Then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, this just came out of the oven and went for 15 minutes. Everything's all nice and heated and melted. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I had a little bit of Italian seasoning on there, guys, for a little extra flavor and some color. Let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with some pasta here. You can see how nice and cheesy that is. Really good. Pasta's tender. Taste that sauce and cheese. That's good, guys. Let me try a little bit of chicken here. Chicken's good. Nice and tender. That's really good, guys. Tastes like chicken parm and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Chicken parm casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.